Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to create an epic esports logo step by step in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. In the search bar, type Logo, then select the logo option from the results. Once you enter the logo workspace, browse through the available templates to find one you like. Type your work in the provided field. To add content, click the plus icon or use the Options menu. You can enhance the image by selecting it and clicking the Edit button. Adjust brightness, contrast, or apply filters as needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to save your edited image for future use. To add links, first highlight the text where you want the link to appear. Next, click the Insert Link icon in the toolbar. In the dialog box that appears, paste or type the URL you want to use. Click Apply to save the link. The selected text will now become clickable and direct users to the specified URL. Repeat these steps to add multiple links throughout your document wherever necessary. To modify this section, first select the area you want to change. Click on it to activate editing mode. Now, type in your desired changes or add new content as needed. Once you've finished editing, make sure to save your changes to apply them to this part of your project. Select the layer you want to edit. Go to the Effects panel and search for Watercolor. Drag and drop the watercolor effect onto your layer. Next, search for Cartoon in the Effects panel and apply it to the same layer for a creative look. Now, let's add a filter to the data. Click the Add Filter button to insert a new filter. Next, select the current filter you want to remove and click the Remove or Delete option. After that, choose the replacement filter from the available list and add it by clicking Replace or dragging it into place. To add an outline to your text, first select the text you want to edit. Then, go to the Formatting toolbar and find the Outline or Border option. Click it to open the outline settings. Choose your preferred outline color, thickness, and style. Apply the changes, and your text will now appear with a clear outline effect. Click the Effects tab in the toolbar to open the Effects menu. Next, select the Add Outline option to apply an outline to your selected object or text. Once the outline appears, you can customize its appearance. Change the outline's color, thickness, or style as desired by adjusting the settings in the Outline Options panel. Review your changes to make sure the outline looks exactly how you want before continuing. Select the color you want to copy by using the Eyedropper tool. Click on the color within your image to pick it up. Once you've selected the desired color, switch to the area where you'd like to apply it. Choose the Brush tool or the Paint Bucket tool, depending on your needs. With your new color active, click or paint over the target area to apply the color. Repeat these steps for any additional areas as needed. To apply this color, select the Dropper tool from the toolbar. Click on the color you want to use. The selected color will now be active. Use this color to paint or fill areas in your design as needed. To use the Drop Beaker tool, start by locating it in your toolbar. Once you see the Drop Beaker icon, click it to activate the feature. Next, navigate to the area where you want to apply the drop effect. Click on the UFX button to open additional options. With UFX active, choose the slide action from the menu that appears. This will enable sliding interactions within your project. Now you can click on any element where you want the effect to be applied. After you select an element, a contextual menu will appear. In that menu, find and click the Hello option to apply the specific UFX effect to the selected component. Repeat these steps for each area or element where you wish to use the Drop Beaker effect. Make sure to save your changes regularly. Click the Diffuse button to generate your image. Once the image is ready, locate the Share button underneath it and click it. In the Sharing Options menu that appears, select the Download option. This will allow you to save the generated image directly to your computer or device. If prompted, choose your preferred file format and confirm the download by clicking Save. Your image will then be downloaded to your designated Downloads folder, ready to use or share as needed for your project or presentation. Now you know how to design an awesome esports logo in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.